it's Faye. Welcome back to another skincare review. I have this Oh My Lady product. It's a cleaning, peeling, exfoliating, oxygen foaming mousse. Basically like a peeling gel mousse. Oh, don't mind my labeling. I'm still trying to get my life together. As you can tell, my face is extremely dry, just like my love life. Girl, I've been a nun. My Discord fam, you know how we be nuns out here. It's been 2 months and a half for me. Just going strong. Anyway, my face is just as dry, that's my point. I wanted to try this oxygen foaming mousse because it's supposed to remove debris, leftover cutin as they say it on the website. Missy Girl said exfoliation of aged cutin. And I'm like, isn't cutin like a waxy layer for like plants or something? I don't know, something like that. I have our handy dandy Amado, our long lost brother. Just gonna show you guys the state of my face, which is not the most flattering, you know, but it's doing its job. So I obviously need a shave. Oh, yeah, that's not the point of today. Popped up this morning and I was sleeping. Hey Beetlejuice. I've been overdoing my skincare lately, so I've been waking up with little pimples like here. Bitch, I'm up. I'm up. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Yeah, it's been I have not done a blackhead video in so long. So this is just a warning. You'll be triggered. Clogged pores, as you can tell. Ooh, sis. You have been left out here. I'm pretty greasy right now. Ooh, you see how clogged these pores are? So apparently this mask is supposed to unclog your pores. Perfect timing because my nose needs therapy. I really wanted to focus on my big cheek pores over here. I've been noticing them more and more. I don't know what's happening. Like everything's sagging, even the pores on my cheeks. Oh my god, so sad. You see the craters in my cheeks because of acne? It's like someone went in and just like axed me in the wrong spot. Oh my god, you see all the cracks in my cheek? I've actually never paid attention to this close up like this, and now I need to go to the spa. Ooh. I'm hoping all that dead skin will be cleared out because that is not a-okay. Red flag. Ooh, what is you? Are you a bug? Anyway, enough of me just terrorizing myself. I'm hoping that this mask is gonna really clear out all the dead skin around those clogged pores and unclog those pores because that's what it says. It does. You need to start with the dry face and then just pump some of that foam into your hand, and then you're just gonna run this all over. So already you're gonna start feeling like a peel debris I mean. As you roll your fingers down, you're gonna start feeling and seeing these roll-ups of product. So that's supposed to be the selling point. This product is basically supposed to make you feel like you're really peeling off dead skin cells, kind of like in the shower, you know, when you like scrub your body. But anyway, I'm gonna work this all over those areas, like those pimples. Oh, don't eat it. I know you're hungry. Ow, it kind of stings my fresh baked cookie here. And apparently this is supposed to narrow your pores. It claims a lot of things, just like men, but does it actually do it? Yeah, I don't know. You see how the product just rolls off my skin? I'm gonna really work it into that big cracked railed, ow, my cookie. Pack it in there. That is the product debris that literally rolls off. It's like cheese. It's in my hair. I'm literally taking this small bit and placing it right on my nose to really work that in. These pores, man. Again, same method. I'm gonna do that right to my chin. Not sure if you guys can tell clearly, but you do see the debris just sticking onto your face. I hate that it's misleading because it's literally the product that's peeling off your skin. They make it out to seem like it's your actual dead skin rolling off. Be aware of that knowledge. Giving this product the benefit of the doubt, I feel like the peeling of the product is supposed to grasp and exfoliate your skin. Okay, I'm gonna go rinse off this cheese crumble and then I'll be back. Now all the trash is washed off. Let's see how the pimps look. Gang. Beetlejuice is definitely cleaner. Not gonna lie there. She's looking bedazzled. Still there. I need to wear a pimple patch today. Let's check the pores on the nose. I mean, honestly, it could have done more. Could have been better, right? You're looking clean and fresh over here. This product says it like balances water and oil. I'm not so sure about that because I mean I obviously just washed my face so there's no more grease. Can't give a valid opinion on that. The pores aren't horrible. Miss Girl, you're about to come out. What do you want? Stay or go? Obviously they're still clogged, but I feel like it's not as compacted. Let's check the railed up pores here. Man, I'm so sorry you went through that breakage. Makes me want to pop everything. Definitely gonna have a popping party after this. That's a little wild for you. Okay, that dead skin kind of rubbed off a little bit. It didn't get all the dead skin off around this area, but you can tell it tried without me having to like scrub my face with my nails. I was just circulating my face with the product, which I'm pretty impressed that did more than I expected. Okay, to conclude with this product, I actually think it did a lot better than I was like assuming. I definitely had a more I don't think you can impress me vibe going in this review. As you guys can see, it did lift away some of the dead skin cells around like certain areas, certain pimples. With the unclogging of the pores, not 100%, but it did remove something. Not everything, but something. Apparently you can even use this all over your skin, like your arms. They advertise it for like almost every skin issue that you might have. That seems a little bit too excessive. You're like reaching, girl. I'd say this product is a good starter peeling gel. I wouldn't say that it's like the most advanced. It's enough to peel off like surface level. However, I'm impressed with what it did to my pimple. Although it is stained, it kind of polished it over. Now, if you would excuse me, I'm gonna go pop every pore I saw. Check out this product, I guess. Yeah, something easy and light you could just do right in your bathroom and then wash your face off. Until next time, I'm sending love, bye. Even if you try